Every return journey reveals something we missed before. After spending time by the beach, we begin our drive back through the streets of Santa Barbara. White walls and red-tiled roofs continue the Spanish-inspired character seen throughout the city. Tall palms rise above the neighborhood while the late afternoon sun stretches across the road. Parked cars and quiet homes give this part of Santa Barbara a calm, familiar rhythm. Delivery trucks and local traffic remind us that ordinary city life continues around every journey. We follow the road beneath spreading trees, moving gradually away from the coastal neighborhood. At the next intersection, rows of palms and passing cars frame another relaxed Santa Barbara afternoon.
Can't really be enticed, although it's very nice. In my space I feel most comfortable. Choose what you like.
The traffic light pauses our drive for a moment as sunlight filters through the trees beside us.
Choose to feel yourself, choose to transcend, choose to be your own friend.
Soon the road opens again, leading through quieter blocks with mountains visible in the distance.
Like the sun, like the sun.
The neighborhood slowly gives way to wider streets as we continue toward the main road. Palm trees, small businesses, and everyday traffic come together at another busy intersection. We wait for the light beneath a wide blue sky, preparing for the next stretch of the drive. The city streets now lead us toward the road that will carry the journey onward. This is 7080 Working Diary. See you on the next road. Goodbye.